Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today on this video I'm sharing with you a quick recipe of how to make mutton pilau at home. It's a very quick one and I hope you like it. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. Now let's get into the recipe. So guys, the first thing I do is to fry my onions, and I like to use a lot of onions for my pilau, but by all means use whatever amount you are comfortable with. And after that I just give that a good stir, and once the onions are cooked to become translucent, I added 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. If you like ginger, you can add ginger in here at this point, and then you're going to give that a good stir until the onion and the garlic mixture is cooked. And after the mixture is cooked, at this point I just like to add my spices, and I added just 1 tablespoon of pilau masala. On this day I did not want to add too many spices to my pilau, because remember, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and I find that a simple recipe is even more delicious than a complicated one. And then after that I added salt to taste, then gave that a good mix. And now I'm going in with my mutton, and I like ribs, the ribs part, and it has been boiled at this point, so I'm just adding it in there, and then we'll give that a good stir. And I like to boil my mutton before cooking pilau, but if you do not like to boil yours, do not feel like this is the right recipe, just do it however you like. And then after that I added enough broth from the mutton. That is just the water that I boiled my mutton in. And also I added that depending on the amount of rice that I was using, and I used 1 cup of rice. And then you're going to add it in there and then leave it to cook as now we prepare our kachumbari. And I like to soak my onions in vinegar just to get rid of that bitter taste and the acidity that is in onion. And as you leave the onions to soak in vinegar, I prepared the other veggies, that is capsicum, dania and tomatoes. And here the onions, like after 10 minutes, just discard the excess vinegar, and then now add the onions now to the tomatoes mixture, and then you're going to set that aside. Also I like to add some lemon juice to my kachumbari. It makes it even more delicious. And if you like chilies, you can add chilies at this point, and the kachumbari is ready. You can see it looks so fresh. It goes perfectly with pilau, and the pilau, like you see, the water has dried completely. So we're just going to let it cool for a few minutes before serving, and the pilau is ready. Like you see, it was a very simple one. I do not like to do a very complicated pilau, otherwise it's going to lose that taste. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope to see you guys on my next one.